Data handling. Let's recall. Data handling is collecting data or facts in order to keep a record. Count the number of items and answer the following questions. Count here, like how many balloons are there, how many cupcakes are there, how many jackets, count here, how many candles, which item is most in number, how many items are blue in color, how many more balloons are there than the birthday caps. Data collection. Data collection means collecting information on different kinds of activities that are part of a single event. Observe the fish aquarium and fill in the blanks. Fill in the boxes. Number of goldfish, here count and write. Number of yellow fish, number of pink fish, number of grey fish. Here comes the activity. Then comes the data representation. Data can be represented by words, symbols, pictures or graphs. Given below is Ramya's collection of pictures and animals. Color the circles to represent the number of each animal in Ramya's collection. Data can be in the form of both pictures and numbers. The same data can also be represented as follows. Animals, number of animals. What are the animals found here? Dog, cat, rabbit, and how many of them? Practice coach. Neha went to a zoo and saw some rare animals and birds which are getting extinct due to global warming. Look at the animals or birds she saw and write the data in the table. Animal or bird, number of animals and birds you need to count from here and write. Number of animals and birds: squirrel, fox, deer, tiger, penguin, orangutan, sparrow. Discuss with your teacher the causes and effects of global warming. The body weights of 14 students of class are given below here. Color the pictures to show the number of students having body weight under 25. Color the pictures to show the number of students having body weight in between 25 kg and 30 kg. Color the picture to show the number of students having body weight above 30. Rehan made a list of shirts of different colors. Shirt color: black, grey, green, blue. Number of shirts here. Based on the data, fill in the blanks. Grey shirts are lesser in number than how many? 45. Blue shirts are more in number than 18 shirts. Shirts of which color are least in number, which is having the least? Black shirt, that is 18. Shirts of which color are most in number, that is green shirts, which is 45. Next comes the maths lab activity here. Then comes the revision station. Count the number of items and represent them by coloring the circles with a given color code. You need to color here. Malini collected some pebbles day wise and recorded the data as below. Monday she collected 18, Tuesday 11, Wednesday 11, Thursday 15, Friday 14, Saturday 5, Sunday 9. Answer the questions based on the given information. How many more pebbles did she collect on Thursday as compared to Sunday? That is 6 more. On which day are the pebbles collected same in number? That is Tuesday and Wednesday. On which day did she collect the most number of the pebbles? Monday, that is 18. How many pebbles are collected from Monday to Wednesday? That is 40. You need to add. Next comes the worksheet. Count and write how many pets are there. Count here how many fishes are there. Count and write in the boxes. Count and write how many Shapes are there. We can count and write in the boxes. Which shape match the given numbers? Write here which shape does the number match. Then comes the practice sheet. Write the number name 564, 718, 387, 950. Find the sum. You need to add 57 plus 31, 98 plus 23, 114 plus 874, 645 plus 126. Find the place value of the digit 3 in the following numbers. Add the values and write the total in the box given. 137, 30, 673, 3, 345, 300, 230, that is 30. Subtract the following: 48 minus 22, 72 minus 58, 816 minus 346, 818 minus 261. Fill in the blanks. 6 tens are 60, 50 divided by 1, 50, 7 into 3, 21, 43 divided by 43 which is equal to 1. Answer the following: 20 divided by 5 which is 4, 5 multiplied by 3 which is 15, 28 divided by 2 which is 14, 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. Then comes the practice sheet 2. Write the following in kg and milliliter. 100 centimeter is equal to dash m, 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters, 1000 gram is equal to how many kg, 1 m is equal to 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters. Complete the following patterns. You need to complete the patterns here. Write the following in words. Write it is 9 rupees 75 paise, same 25 rupees, 75 rupees, 100 rupees. You need to multiply here 22 into 2, 43 into 5, 85 into 2, 94 into 5. Find the total cost. If the cost of the pencil is rupees 135 and the cost of the pen is 355, you need to add. The shape of the sun is which? It is round in shape. If today is Thursday, what will be tomorrow? It will be Friday. Name the month that comes just before August. It is July. Read the given data and answer the following. Here this is the data given. The tallest boy is selected as the captain. Who is that? Who is tall here? That is 61 centimeters. That is Sidhu. Who is the shortest boy in the group? Who is the one? It is 56 centimeter John. Name the boy whose height is 60 centimeter. Rajiv. Then comes the glossary. This completes Maths 2nd Standard CBSE syllabus. Thank you.